APA style requires you to include a full list of references for all sources you used in your paper. The reference list helps the reader find the source of your information. When readers see an in-text citation, they can go to the reference list and find all the details they need to get the original item. Every in-text citation should have a corresponding entry in the reference list, and every entry on the reference list should have at least one in-text citation. We won't cover every single kind of item you could reference. Just know that you must include everything in your reference list, even if you just found it with a quick Google image search, or the item is marked free for creative reuse. APA references have strict rules about what information to put in what order. This helps the reader understand exactly what the source is and where to find it. In general, you would include these elements in this order for each reference. We will discuss exceptions and oddballs later in this section. In this section, you'll see a Brunel Library video about APA references. You'll also read a website about APA references and see examples of APA references. Finally, you'll review and apply your knowledge with a quiz.